the 2013 Acura ILX. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of an Acura are offered, including leather upholstery, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Acura's comprehensive certification process, including a 150-point inspection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.